Experience the comfort of warm outdoor showers anywhere with our top-rated portable picks. The best solar shower for camping ensures you stay refreshed on adventures, using sunlight to heat water efficiently for convenient eco-friendly cleaning after hikes, swims, or long travel days. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Nollapo Solar Shower for Camping. The Nollapo Solar Shower for Camping delivers a refreshing and convenient outdoor showering experience using clean solar energy. With its impressive 9.3-gallon capacity, it provides ample water from multiple rinses, making it perfect for camping, poolside use, or backyard enjoyment. The shower easily connects to a garden hose, offering quick setup and an adjustable mix of hot and cold water for personalized comfort. Built with durable, non-corrosive brass and PVC materials, the unit is designed to withstand outdoor exposure, including sun and scratch damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its solar-heated design efficiently traps heat inside the tank, reaching temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a truly warm and satisfying shower. The modern standing structure enhances both stability and style, adding a sleek touch to any outdoor space. Assembly is simple, with all hardware included for quick installation on solid surfaces like cement for maximum steadiness. Whether used before or after swimming, the Nollapo Solar Shower offers a convenient, energy-efficient solution for maintaining hygiene outdoors. It's a stylish and practical addition to any garden, patio, or camping setup, letting you enjoy the luxury of a hot shower anywhere sunlight reaches. Number 2 is the VINGLI Solar Shower for Camping. The VINGLI Solar Shower for Camping offers a practical and eco-friendly way to enjoy warm outdoor showers without the need for electricity. Designed with a generous water capacity, it connects effortlessly to your garden hose, ensuring a continuous supply for refreshing rinses at the pool, beach, or campsite. The solar-heated system efficiently captures sunlight to warm the internal water tank, reaching temperatures as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit for ultimate comfort. Constructed with non-corrosive brass and high-strength PVC, this freestanding shower is built to endure sun exposure and scratches, providing years of dependable use. Its temperature control feature allows you to easily adjust water flow between hot and cold, creating the perfect shower experience for any weather. The VINGLI's simple installation process includes all necessary hardware, and it's recommended to mount it on a solid base, such as cement, for maximum stability. This model blends durability, performance, and convenience, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Number 3. LDAILY Solar Shower for Camping. The LDAILY Solar Shower for Camping provides an excellent combination of functionality, efficiency, and durability for outdoor use. Harnessing solar power, it heats water up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to enjoy hot showers without electricity, perfect for camping trips, gardens, or poolside rinses. Its 10-gallon tank offers a large capacity suitable for multiple users, balancing portability with ample supply for families or groups. The 360-degree adjustable shower head delivers a steady and comfortable water flow, while the mid-faucet and foot shower add extra convenience for rinsing feet or washing pets. Built from sturdy ABS and PVC materials, this freestanding unit resists rust, weather damage, and wear, making it ideal for long-term outdoor use. Its robust metal base, complete with 4 anchoring screws, ensures stability even on solid surfaces like cement or decks. Installation is quick and straightforward, and its sleek vertical design saves space while adding a modern look to your outdoor area. Number 4. GF Gardens Solar Shower for Camping.
The GF Garden Solar Shower for Camping offers exceptional versatility for outdoor showering, using only the power of the sun. This innovative design allows you to enjoy a hot shower anywhere, by the pool, at the campsite, or even in your backyard without relying on electricity or fuel. Featuring a 33-foot hose, it ensures flexibility in setup and easy access across larger outdoor spaces. The adjustable temperature mixer lets you blend hot, solar-heated water with cool water from your tap, giving you complete control over comfort levels. A detachable and adjustable shower head adds convenience, perfect for rinsing sandy feet, washing off after swimming, or simply cooling down. The GF Garden Solar Shower connects easily to a standard garden hose or a main water line, ensuring a quick and reliable water source wherever you are. Built for durability and performance, it provides a steady flow and consistent heating, making it a must-have for campers and outdoor enthusiasts.
Number 5. Giantex Solar Shower for Camping. The Giantex Solar Shower for Camping combines modern design, powerful solar heating, and impressive water capacity for a premium outdoor experience. Standing 7.2 feet tall, this shower uses solar energy to heat water efficiently, eliminating the need for electricity, while offering water temperatures up to 140 degrees F. The large 10-gallon tank ensures enough water for multiple users, making it suitable for families, campers, or a poolside use. Its 360-degree rotating shower head provides adjustable water flow, and an additional foot shower adds convenience for washing feet or pets. Made from high-quality ABS and PVC materials, the Giantex shower is durable, weather-resistant, and built to last through frequent outdoor exposure. The mid-faucet design allows easy adjustment of both water pressure up to 3.5 bar and temperature, ensuring comfortable showers every time. Installation is simple, with 2 main sections and 4 sturdy anchoring screws for secure placement on solid surfaces. The included connectors make refilling quick and hassle-free. Stylish, functional, and eco-conscious, the Giantex Solar Shower offers a reliable way to stay clean and refreshed outdoors, transforming any garden, campsite, or pool area into a relaxing, sun-powered retreat. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.